All right, guys, autofanatic. So I'm gonna do, while I still got the Civic Type R, I'm gonna do a POV drive video on one of my favorite roads. So I'm gonna get the camera strapped in and hopefully we'll have some fun. So come along for the ride.
We could take it out and test it.
But you see how, like, at full power, Jerry, that it didn't, like, torque steer the car?
Yeah, no shaking or
No.
shimming or anything.
It's freaking awesome. This is such a well-developed platform.
What's the width of the front tires?
245s.
It's not bad size for the size car. Are they 245s all around?
I think so. I mean, it just pulls you right through, man. It's unbelievable. You believe this road?
Oh, that guy.
Dude, what is he, nuts?
All the way over. Doesn't really understeer too much?
No. Cars, it's like, it's neutral, you know? I mean, look at this. This is a fun car to go through this type of road, you know? See, it definitely could use much more of an aggressive brake pad. You know, I just want more brakes. Because right here, you could get the back end to come around a little bit quicker.
I think you have so much weight in the front of this car. You know?
It's actually not that much weight.
Oh, it's got its front driver, its front everything. So.
But, I mean, can you believe this?
It doesn't feel like it.
For a Honda Civic. That's like, you could whip through this road and like my heart is going. Like, that's what I love about this. You know, like you could get that adrenaline rush from a Honda Civic. That's like unheard of. You know?
Definitely. Up on Lime Rock, these are hard to shake in the turns. I mean, on the straightaways, they can't keep up. I chirp the wheels into.
Yeah. I mean, this thing is a freaking blast. Yeah, this is one of the best cars that I've driven all year. It's that impressive. And you're in the passenger seat, so you kind of could feel, you know, the car just doesn't feel like it wants to come off the ground.
No, it doesn't. It feels pretty well composed. You know?
Yeah, it's a balance, you know. It's got just enough power, just enough grip. Everything is like balanced. You know, if this thing had another 100 horsepower, then I think I probably wouldn't love it as much. I think it would probably be a little bit of a handful to drive, but I love this road.
Got the nice dips.
Yeah, it's just, that's one of the things we have up here. We got some good roads if you know where to go for them.
At least there's no potholes. You know?
No. All right, we're gonna loop it back. Oh, uphill.
Yeah. Well, you know what it is? I bet the weight shift uphill probably lightens the load of those, lights the tires up more.
But you can feel that pull, you know?
Well, you gotta wonder, like, if they stuck with like the normally aspirated, if this car would be a little more fun, maybe a little less power, but more fun with the, you know, shifting.
Yeah, I think it's just probably emissions probably made them do it. caught up to that car quick. You know, it's funny, like going through these roads with my other cars that are heavier with a lot more power, I feel it in my body more, you know, the whipping around. In this car, it's like going around the corner. It's a joke.
I think the lightweight probably helps a little bit.
Yeah, I think the lightweight and how good the chassis is. Look at that.
It's pretty flat.
Yeah, it's really flat. Gotta watch these blind spots. For a front-wheel drive car,
It's like
it's incredible.
Squeal from the tire.
No, it's absolutely no. Not if you squeal these tires, the 4S's, on this car, you're definitely doing something wrong. But you know, on a public road, you can't push it that hard. But this is a spirited drive. I mean, it just goes through the transitions like it's incredible. Now, I drove the Fiat Abarth through these same roads. It did not feel this good. And that was a smaller car with a lot less power. You know what car would be great over here? The old BMW M Coupe. 2002?
Yeah, real light.
Yeah.
How something like the new M2 would do. That looks more tossable than
Pretty good. Yeah, that's the best one. I mean, look at this. And that was fun. That was a fun little run, right? Whew. That was good. That was good stuff.
It's a nice road.
Yeah. All right, that's it. Signing off. We're gonna go find a couple more roads. Man, it's just so flat and so it's like an arrow. You just point and shoot and it just goes wherever you throw it. All right, cool.
Bye-bye.